Welcome back to my channel, Ask DeAvila Sadé, with your host, Dr. DeAvila Sadé, LCSW, and I'm back with a new video. Happy New Year! Welcome to 2025. This is my first video of the year. I'm trying to think when the last time I did a video. It's been a couple of months, y'all, and I'm sorry. I'm actually not really sorry, more so that, I'm just really, and this is I'll save that little blurb for another video, but I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. Do I want to continue making content? Do I want to change my channel? If you've been with me before, when I started this channel back in 2017, it was all about mental health. It was way before I even started my Microlocs journey. And then we transitioned to Microlocs 3 years ago, a little bit over 3 years ago. And that's been fun. I'm just like, I don't think I really have a lot of creative ideas right now. I just feel I don't know what to do, so I haven't been posting. Well, you know what, I have been posting shorts, and they mostly been about my dog Devontae. Devontae, you want to come say hey to the people? Show them how big you got. If you're new to my channel's been about Microlocs, okay, and it's all things Microlocs, I guess. And yeah, we up in this thing. Let me show y'all Devontae. Y'all, look how big he is. I gotta step back. Let me get your business all out. So y'all remember, if y'all are not new to my channel, I got Devontae back in August, right when he turned 4 months. And now he'll be 9 months in a couple of days. Yeah, my little baby. He getting so big, he's a cavapoo. So I have been posting more shorts with him. I've been posting more shorts with him. Just because I kind of like the little funny dog content. So yeah, that's what's been going on. But today we are going for my first retie of 2025, but also I haven't gotten my hair retied since before I went to Cancun back in August. So I think it's been, 5 months? It's been 5 months, y'all. If you're new to my channel, I have been doing this thing where I have been getting my Microlocs retwisted. I started it last year, and my goal this year was to get my locks interlocked twice this year. The first month of the year and probably month 6 around June, possibly July, depending on how I'm feeling. And in the meantime, I'll be getting it retwisted because I eventually want to start maintaining my hair myself. And I know I've been saying that since day 1, and here we are, past year 3. It'll be year 4 in September. But yes, I am going for my first retightening of 2025 and my first retightening in 5 months. So I'm gonna take you on the journey with me. First, let's show you the hair. Y'all, first of all, it's dirty, so don't judge me if I'm getting my hair washed and stuff. My last retwist was probably about 4 weeks ago. So yeah, y'all. Okay, sorry. Look how long, y'all. I gotta hug the wall. Y'all, look how long. We are almost at 4 years. Bam, 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 bam. And baby, the length is lengthening, okay? Y'all see that? Baby, the bra strap, here. I think I'm gonna do a video on my goals for 2025 with my locks. I think that's gonna be probably my next video. I'll probably record it once my hair is done. But y'all, look at it. Look at her. Look at this mane. Baby, she been growing. Also, y'all see the baby hairs? Oh my God. Y'all, that Rogaine, I've been telling y'all, I've been using that Rogaine since August. I already did a video about how I grew my edges back in a month, 2 weeks, whatever the case. I think it was a month. Let's not be over dramatic. I can't remember. Y'all know I can't remember what I ate yesterday. But the edges are coming in. That'll be on my update as well by my goals, because that was my goal for 2024. And a year later, oh my God. Now, granted, these little areas still sparse, okay? But they growing around. We making that thing shape. We making that thing work. Devontae, yes. So yes, all right, y'all. I need to go to a doctor's appointment first and have a checkup, and then I'm gonna be off to the salon. So y'all meet me at the salon. See y'all soon. Hey y'all, I am back 6 hours later. We're a little bit more than 6 hours later, but it took 6 hours to get my retie. My loctician said she felt like I had about 3 inches of new growth since my last interlocking, which was last August. And again, I've been retwisting. So she said, even though she don't see anything wrong with the locks, just so it won't take so long, she thinks maybe I should come start getting my interlocks in between retwists. So how I got interlocked today, get it retwisted 6 weeks from now, and then 6 weeks from then, get it interlocked again, which would be every 12 weeks instead of every 6 months, because baby, that's too long. But let's start. Do y'all see the swoopy doops? Do y'all see them edges? Do y'all see them edges? Rogaine gone sponsor me already. And do y'all see the lift? Now the lift is going to me, I know my hair is going to kind of shrivel up because I'm gonna put my hair in my bonnet unless I put a rubber band on it. And I still have some locks that are just super, look at these 3 right here. They're just so much longer than the rest of my hair. But let's look at it from the back. Baby, look at her. Oh my God, my hair is so freaking long. These past 3 years have been crazy. But y'all, I am so exhausted. It's almost midnight here. And I got Devontae up. I'm doing laundry. I just came back from dinner with one of my friends, and we had dinner and drinks after I got my hair done because I just need to get out the house. So now it's almost midnight, and I need to at least straighten up as much as I can. But yeah, y'all, thank you for watching the video. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If y'all have any type of microlock videos that y'all would like to see, then please drop them in the comments below. I will let you know I rarely style my hair. So if y'all oh, we want more styles, I'm probably not gonna do any of those because now that my hair done got longer, I just don't be having the capacity. Now y'all see I've been getting when I get my retwist done, not interlock, but retwist, I do let her style my hair then. But yeah, outside of that, I don't really style my hair, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. And now how tight this stuff is, I'm really not finna do nothing for a while. We gotta loosen up on you, girl. All right, me and Devontae finna go to sleep soon. Come here. Hi, Boogie. Okay, you wanna tell the people goodbye? You wanna tell the people good night? You wanna tell YouTube good night? Stop. Come on. Come on. Look at the camera. You wanna tell everybody good night? Say good night, YouTube. Good night, y'all. See y'all in my next video. Follow me on Instagram and X, and I guess TikTok not gonna be here no more, but ask DeAvila Sadé if y'all wanna find me. Love y'all. See y'all later. Bye.